Aw, don't feel bad, Maya. Some people mature faster than others. Yeah, but we really need Mia's help. Thanks a lot, Pearl. And it's really nice of Phoenix to try to protect Pearl from seeing the trial, because Phoenix is basically going to accuse her mother of murder, and he doesn't want her to see that. I find this little conversation between Franziska and Mia to be pretty interesting. Unless I'm mistaken, this is one of the few times where the prosecutor just talks directly back and forth with Mia, rather than talking to Phoenix. And it's interesting that she points out the fact that Mia's clothes don't fit. You think they would get Mia like a jacket or something because she's twice as big as Pearl? I mean, look at Pearl's necklace. You'd think the necklace would be choking Mia. Ooh, and Franziska made a very good spirit pun. So during this day of trial, Franziska is going to come up with an alternate theory of how things occurred. As you recall, at the end of the last day of trial, Phoenix presented the key, which was found outside of the room, and now Franziska is arguing that Maya left the room at one point in time, which is why the key was found outside, but then Maya went back into the room. An interesting theory, to be sure. Yeah, it's interesting that Franziska would talk directly to Mia, but Morgan Fey is not going to say anything at all about Mia. She's just going to pretend that Mia doesn't exist. That Mia's not in the court, that Mia's not like 5 feet away from her. It's interesting. Interesting that Franziska would note Mia's presence, but Mia's aunt would not do the same thing. Morgan's testimony is very interesting, and it's also rock solid. There are no contradictions whatsoever in the testimony. So, as we've seen a couple of times before in this game, what you have to do is press every single statement. You don't have to find any contradictions, just press every single statement. Her testimony will be over, and then the next witness will be summoned. Oh, thanks a lot. With some of the pieces of testimony, you'll be given the option to stop talking or question further. Make sure to question further. It's always good to get as much information as possible, even if it ends up making us look bad like this information does right here.